everyone, and this is the series for enzymes. And as we have already discussed how the enzyme works and how to calculate the rate of reaction of or the enzyme activity. So in this part we are going to learn about the factors that affect enzyme activity. So each factor will be discussed in separate videos. So if you want to learn about these in a single video, you can tell that in comments. You can your suggestions are always welcome. So the very first one that we are going to discuss is temperature, while the other one are pH, substrate concentration, enzyme concentration, inhibitors. We'll discuss it later. So first of all, temperature. So when we talk about temperature, let's see. So generally, it is believed when the temperature is increased, the rate of reaction also increases. It's like a simple statement. You can easily dissolve sugar in hot water as compared to cold water. So if there is more temperature, there will be more enzyme activity. So we say that the enzyme activity is directly proportional to temperature. Simple. Now, what is the logic behind it, or what is the explanation that you need to explain the effect? Of course, you have described, okay, this has been done. Okay, if you increase temperature, the activity, right, enzyme activity will increase. But what is the reason behind it? You need to explain, and the explanation start with the kinetic energy. Simple. Whenever you mention temperature, keep in mind you need to mention kinetic energy as well. So when the temperature is increased, it's a directly proportional relationship. So if the temperature is increased, the kinetic energy also increases. If the kinetic energy increases, that means the molecules are going to move faster. And if they move faster, there are more chances of effective collision. They can easily bump into each other. They can easily react, or you can say collide to make the reaction happen. So there would be more frequent and successful collisions between enzymes and substrate, and the reaction can occur easily. So more enzyme substrate complex are formed, reaction rate increases up to optimum temperature. Now what is an optimum temperature? We say this is the temperature at which the enzyme activity is maximum. So if you look at this diagram, here you can see the enzyme activity is at its top. So we say this one is the optimum temperature. Let's just plot a graph. Let's just say what's it. So when we increase temperature, you can easily see the rate of reaction is also increasing. Simple. But up till a certain point, which we name as optimum temperature. But what will happen when this optimum temperature is increase when the temperature is increased beyond this optimum temperature? For example, we say the optimum temperature of human is 37 degrees Celsius. Your body works best at 37 degrees Celsius. So optimum temperature is 37 degrees Celsius for humans. I'm not talking about any other species. So when the temperature, for example, if you have some fever or you are in like really hot weather, so what will happen if you are in hot climatic conditions? What will happen? The enzyme activity will decrease instead of increasing. Now, what is the reason behind this decrease? So we say as we have mentioned, that when the temperature is increased, kinetic energy increase, molecule move really faster. So, if the molecules move faster, there are chances that they move so fast that their bondings may break. And if the bonding breaks, this means that the enzyme is not going to have active site anymore. So when there is loss of active site due to the due to the breakage of hydrogen bonds, so it leads to a term we know as denaturation. So when the temperature is really high, high heat break bonds, especially the hydrogen bonds. You need to mention the hydrogen bonds. The tertiary structure changes, which means the active site altered, and it is known as denaturation. If there is no active site, the substrate can no longer fits into, and the reaction rate decreases. And this is all for temperature. For pH, you need to move to another video. See you there.